Welcome to another video. We will show you how to easily simulate the material of an aluminum casting. I made a simple scene with lighting. It is also important to set up the environment. Below the video is a link to download the environment and materials. I used Studio Small 08. It may come in handy for the environment of the scene in the future. I also set up a simple floor. First, we will create a structure for the entire material, including a simple mapping to the surface of the model. We create a new material, name it casting. With the keyboard shortcut Shift+A, we find and insert all the nodes needed for this material. For all materials where we need to see the 3D bump effect, we use the bump node. Notice that I use the shortcut Ctrl+D to add texture coordinate and mapping. It's faster. We can start gradually connecting the nodes, and in the window on the left we will see how our surface will change. We will then set the values of the individual nodes. Let's start from the back. Change the texture coordinate to object and leave the mapping as is. We go to the noise texture settings where we set the scale to about 86 and the detail to 16. Leave a rest and connect it to the color ramp and bump node. And this way we connect it to the main principled node, where we set the metallic and roughness channels to these values. As we said, we will set the details channel to 16. We can also play with the texture scale, but I think 86 is just right. We'll save the color ramp for last and set the strength value on the bump node to about 0.08 to make the surface partially shiny and not so rough. Finally, we will set the color ramp to give the material the look we want. We will compose the color from 4 channels. You can experiment and add or remove channels as you like. We will set the entire color ramp as follows. It is also important to always set the exact position of the rider. The color ramp has countless combinations and you can add additional color ramp nodes. We will show that in future videos about materials. We can experiment in different ways. So we're done. I think the result looks pretty satisfying. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Have a great time and I look forward to the next video.